Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add friends on Discord. To start this tutorial, open your Discord application in your internet browser and make sure you go to discord.com and then you have already logged in. Once you have logged into your Discord, you'll now see the entirety of Discord open in your internet browser. Now, to add friends, click on Direct Messages, the one with the Discord logo on the upper left. In here, there will be an option that says Friends. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll now have the power to add a friend. By tapping on this button over here, the green button, and in here, you'll enter their username and their Discord number. It should look like that. Your friends can find this username and number on the lower left, next to the microphone icon. Then all you have to do is type in send friend request. And that should be it. It's that simple actually. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.